In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to pay with gift card on Shein application. If you'd like to make a purchase on Shein using gift card, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that you open your Shein application on your smartphone. Soon after you end up in the official page, tap on the Me button at the bottom right and make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking the sign in/register button and following the login process. After you are logged into your account, first go ahead and add some of the items you'd like to purchase on your cart and then proceed to the checkout button. Open up your shopping cart and tap on checkout at the bottom right in order to end up in the order confirmation page. Here, you need to fill in some of the information such as shipping methods, payment methods, and other information. If you want to make this payment with a gift card, then all you need to do is to scroll down to payment method and you should be able to see the gift card option right under apply voucher. Tap on it and then enter the card number that is available on your gift card. After you are done with it, enter the PIN code on the next field and then finally tap on apply. Remember that the purchase amount will be deducted from your gift card balance and you'll be able to make a payment with a gift card on Shein application. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.